Mercedes-Benz Stock Rim Cap logo flew off? Well, this is a common issue. Once the silicone glue dried after a few years, it will fly away. Now, you need 2 pieces of tiny flathead screwdrivers to pry out the stock rim cap. Next, peel off the protective plastic sheet on the new cap and push it into the hub hole and you are done.